Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't worry, I'm new here too. By the way, thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't yet, please do so. I'm also on Instagram and it would mean so much to me if you would follow me there as well. Anyway, with all that's happening, people working from home, I thought I'd make a tutorial on how to look presentable on video calls. I'm gonna show you how to look not over the top made up for your Zoom meetings, Google Meets, and the like. Okay, I have prepped my skin. Just use whatever works for you because it's very important that we do this every day, even if we're not going out. We all have to take care of our skin. It's the largest organ of the body. I also put lip balm because I have dry lips. So I'm not gonna use foundation since laptop or computer cameras don't really pick up the small details of your face. You can get away with just concealer or without it even if you have good skin. But let's just say that your skin isn't perfect like mine. I'll just use concealer on areas that I want coverage. You can also use those 2-in-1 foundation concealer. The point is just cover the areas or the big areas that need to be covered. Yung ayaw ninyong makita sa camera or yung gusto ninyong takpan. So, like in my case here, under my eyes, because they are dark. I'm also going to put a little bit of concealer here. To brighten up my eyes, because this makes you look more awake. And you want to look awake for a meeting. It tells the person you are talking to that you are all ears. I'm also gonna put a little bit of concealer here because I want more coverage on these areas. So just a little bit. So, I'm not gonna put a lot of powder on my face. Dun lang kung saan ako naglagay ng concealer. But if you have oily skin, then put powder on the areas kung saan ka usually oily. Next, I'm gonna put blush, but not too much. Just a nice flush of color, just so I look healthy. I'm using the lipstick that I'm going to use later. And I'm using a brush. And use it on my face. I also like putting a little bit here on my nose. If you want to add warmth to your face, then you can do this, but you can totally skip this step. So I'm just gonna bronze my face. And you can also add a little bit here. By the way, guys, if you notice I'm not mentioning the products that I'm using, it's because you can use whatever products you have at home or you have in your makeup kit. But if you still want to know what I'm using, then I will put everything in the description box below. Okay, next is I will curl my lashes. And I am curling my lashes because curling your lashes opens up your eyes, and again, you want to look awake. If you have thick eyelashes and your eyelashes can hold up the curls, then you can skip this step again. You don't have to do this, but mine don't, so I will use mascara. I almost do not have bottom lashes, so I'm not gonna bother with that anymore. Okay, next, eyebrows. If you have thick eyebrows, then you can just get away with eyebrow gel. But I have sparse eyebrows, so I'm going to use a brow pencil. If you haven't seen it yet, my first video is a tutorial on natural eyebrows. I'll put the link in the description box below. I said in that video that to achieve the natural look, you must make hair-like strokes. But if you have little time to do your eyebrows, okay lang yan, hindi kailangan maging precise. But I suggest that you still do the hair-like strokes like this para napapractice ninyo. That way, when you do your eyebrows on a regular day, hindi ka na mahirapan kasi lagi mo siyang napapractice, lagi mo siyang nagagawa. For my lips, tanggalin ko lang yung lip balm na nilagay ko kanina. I'm going to use the same lipstick that I used for my cheeks. You can use your favorite lipstick. Yung usual mong sinusuot pag nasa office ka. And then I'm gonna do this. I will dab. For a diffused look. I just think that when you're getting ready for a video call, some people, parang kukunti lang yung time nila to prepare or to get ready. So this is just a faster way to do it than having crisp edges. And that's it! Fast and no fuss makeup look for video calls. And I used what? Parang mga 5 products lang yata yun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Last na nga lang eh. Okay.